Welcome to Make It Easy. Hyderabadi Dum Biryani is a melange of flavors, spices, and aromas. It is undeniably the tastiest and most filling delicacy, ambrosial enough to make you crave some more with each bite. This Mughlai recipe is a fantastic combination of spices, chicken, and rice, studded with kewra. To get the authentic Hyderabadi flavors simmering in your dum biryani, follow this easy recipe. Take 1 kg of thoroughly washed chicken and to this add 2 teaspoons of garlic paste, now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira, one-fourth teaspoon of turmeric powder, three teaspoons of red chili powder, one teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania powder, one teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, also add 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala. Now I am adding some whole spices. Here I have added an inch long cinnamon stick and 4 to 5 green cardamom, 1 bay leaf, and 1 biryani fool or javitri. I will crush it and add it to the marinade mix. Now add 2 tablespoons of oil to this marinade. And now I am adding some caramelized onions, almost 1 cup. Add a handful of mint leaves, chopped green mint leaves, fresh coriander in the same amount. Now mix it. Now I am adding salt to taste. Add some lemon juice. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of desi ghee. And now is the time to add 1 cup of curd to this marinade. Give it a good mix. And the marinade is ready. Keep it aside for at least 30 minutes. Now in the second step, I'll keep ready some whole spices, which includes zeera, javitri, cinnamon, green cardamom, star anise, peppercorns and cloves. In a separate vessel, boil some water and now season it with salt, now add all the whole spices to this. 2 teaspoons of zeera, 6 to 7 green cardamom, inch long cinnamon stick, 10 to 12 peppercorns, 1 star anise and 1 mace. Now I am adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of oil. Now as this water starts boiling, it's the time to add washed and soaked rice into this water. I am using here 5 cups of thoroughly washed and soaked rice, which I have soaked for 30 minutes. Now I am adding 2 bay leaves to this. And cook the rice in this water for 7 to 8 minutes till the rice is 70% done. Now the rice here is almost 70% done, and it's the time to switch off the flame and drain the water. Now in a heavy bottomed vessel, we will first of all spread a layer of the chicken that we had prepared the marinade of. So this is our marinated chicken. It goes straight to the vessel, and now I'm sprinkling some green fresh coriander and some mint leaves. Now is the time to layer this with rice. I have drained all the water from the rice, and now I'm adding the rice to this vessel. Now I will sprinkle some saffron milk over the top. I have soaked the saffron in warm milk, and I have added this to the rice. Now layer it with some caramelized onions. And some fresh mint leaves and some chopped fresh coriander leaves. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of kewra. If you don't have kewra water, you can also use rose water instead. And now top it up with some ghee, desi ghee. Pour half a cup of desi ghee over the top. And now seal your vessel with dough. I made some dough out of atta or wheat flour. You can use any dough. It's just to seal the vessel. Now I am covering this with a lid. Sealing it helps the aromas to get trapped inside and you get an amazing biryani. Now seal it and cook on high flame for 5 minutes and simmer the flame for about 40 minutes. And your biryani is ready after 40 minutes. Now I'm opening the lid using a knife. I'm breaking the seal. And our yummy, flavorful and delicious dum biryani is ready to serve. The aroma is too good to resist. Now take the serving platter . And take out the biryani . Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Do consider subscription to my channel if you like this content and press the bell icon for more updates.